Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn Real English with Podcast. I'm your host, Emma.
And I'm Mark. Hey, everyone.
Today, we have a good episode for you. If you've ever felt lost in an airport, confused by fast English, or just stressed out while traveling, trust me, you are not alone.
Exactly. Airports are like small cities, and sometimes it feels like everyone is speaking super fast English, especially when they ask something unexpected at security. Today, we're breaking down real airport conversations and giving you phrases you can use anywhere in the world.
So, if you want to sound confident and not panic when someone says, "Can I see your boarding pass?" this episode is for you. And hey, before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our weekly episodes.
All right, ready for takeoff? Let's go.
Okay, let's start with the first moment you face at the airport. Check-in. Mark, have you ever had a disastrous check-in experience?
Oh my gosh, yes. One time I arrived at the wrong terminal and I only had 40 minutes until my flight. The check-in agent looked at me like, "Sir, are you serious?" Listeners, has this ever happened to you?
Okay, let's practice a real conversation. I'll be the check-in agent. You be panicked traveler, Mark. Good morning. May I see your passport and your ticket?
Sure, here you go.
Do you have any checked luggage?
Yes, one suitcase.
All right. Please place your bag on the scale. Oh, it's a little overweight.
Wait, how overweight?
About 3 kilos. Would you like to remove something or pay the extra fee?
Ugh, okay. I'll pay the fee. It's too late to reorganize my entire life right now.
Okay, listeners, here are useful phrases you'll hear at check-in. May I see your passport? Do you have any checked luggage? Your bag is overweight. There is an extra fee.
And here are phrases you can use. Where is the check-in counter for airline? Is my flight on time? Can I have a window seat, please?
An audience question. Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat? Tell us in the comments. Security is where your English listening skills get tested. Sometimes they speak so fast you only catch like 2 words.
Yes, and I never know what to do with my laptop. Does it go in the bag, out of the bag, in its own tray? Airport rules are like relationship rules. They change depending on the country.
Let's simulate a real security moment. Please place your laptop in a separate tray.
Oh, sorry. Here it is.
Do you have any liquids in your bag?
Maybe? Wait, yes, I forgot my water bottle.
You'll need to empty it before going through.
Okay, no problem.
Arms up, please. All right, you're good to go. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Key words you'll hear at security. Remove your laptop. Any liquids? Please step forward. You're good to go.
And phrases you can say are, do I need to remove my shoes? Where should I put this? Can I go through with this for items you're unsure about?
Okay, now imagine you just passed security and suddenly you have no idea where your gate is.
This is basically my entire travel life.
Mine too. Let's do a real scene.
Excuse me, where is gate B27?
Go straight, turn left, and you'll see the signs above you. It's about a 10-minute walk.
Thank you so much. And do you know if the flight is boarding already?
Yes, Boarding just started. You should head there now. Useful questions. Where is gate? How do I get to terminal? Is the flight boarding?
Useful answers. Go straight. Turn left or right. Follow the signs.
Okay, the moment we all fear. Lost luggage.
I lived this nightmare in Spain. When they told me your bag didn't arrive, I felt my soul leave my body.
Let's teach people how to handle it. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, my suitcase didn't arrive. My flight was from Sao Paulo to Madrid.
I'm sorry about that. Can I have your baggage tag, please?
Sure, here it is.
Okay, we located your luggage. It will arrive on the next flight. We can deliver it to your hotel.
Thank you. That's a relief. Useful vocabulary. Baggage claim. Baggage tag. Delayed luggage. We will deliver it.
And phrases to use. My luggage didn't arrive. Where can I make a claim? Can you track my suitcase? We can't end this episode without a few embarrassing stories.
Okay, I'll share mine. Once I fell asleep at the gate and woke up at the wrong gate. I missed the entire flight.
What? Listeners, has this ever happened to you?
I had to stay overnight and buy a new ticket. Expensive nap.
Well, mine was worse. Security stopped me because I forgot I had a giant jar of peanut butter in my backpack. The agent looked at me like, "Sir, peanut butter counts as liquid. Why?"
Airport rules. Logic optional.
All right, everyone, that's our episode for today. We hope you learned useful phrases, laughed a little, and felt more confident about your next trip.
Tell us in the comments, what's your worst airport story? And what airport English phrase do you want to practice next?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with a friend who loves to travel. See you next time, and safe travels.